To know how to change the drill bit in your SPC 60 or 100 model. They're both the same process to change the drill bits in either version. Just one thing to bear in mind, some of the older models had chipping drawer, slide out chipping drawer either side, so that's slightly different, but most of them will be like this with a rubber bung just in the side there. First of all, before I do this, I've unplugged the machine so we've got no electric on. Always a good idea before you start anything. We'll remove the rubber bung, and if the camera can get in there, we'll spin the drill bit round. There's a larger elongated hole. Spin it around and you'll see a smaller hole. We want the small hole furthest away and the elongated hole. With your spanner that should come with the machine, we have a little bump here that's going to go on the drill bit. Insert like so. The bump will be on the drill bit. Now if the drill bit has got blunt, or it's been in there for a long time, or the drill hasn't been used for a long time, it's going to be extremely difficult to push it out. Sometimes you may need a little hammer to just give it a donk to break the seal. Drill bit pops out there because it's a taper fit, so the more it's pushed in or the longer it's been there, that's going to be a tight fit, as this one was. This particular drill bit here is a Teflon drill bit. We can tell by the blackened coat. You can get them in 3 different styles for the SPC drills. We can have the standard drill bits, the normal high-speed steel. We can have the Teflon coated ones, or they do tungsten coated drill bits for card and even more difficult stocks. So we've got a replacement drill bit here, and it's a very simple process of just pushing it up. Push it up, just give it a little push up, and the first few pull downs will nice and tighten it up. Once we've done that, we will have something else to look at. We want to check that this foot here is below the drill bit, and with your said spanner we have a nut on top of the machine. We can undo that, that loosens it. We can go up or down quite a large amount. We just want it to hit this paper stack before the drill bit hits. So lock it up nice and tight. And what this will come in useful for, if I can show you a couple more drill bits, a 4mm, or here we have a 3.5mm, you'll notice they're a lot shorter than a 6mm. As they get smaller diameters, they get more and more increasing in fragile. Breakages occur more just because they're so thin. So if we were to put a smaller drill bit in there, we would then have to make sure that this is adjusted correctly. Also, after you've adjusted it or changed the drill bit, with the power off, you want to bring the handle down so the paper clamp hits there first. There's a gas ram inside here, so you push a little bit more after the paper clamp's there for the drill to go down, and we want it adjusted just kissing that cutting stick. The adjuster is on top of the drill here. Have a little pin. It even gives you an up and a down. So if we want it to go down, we go one way. If we want to go up, we go that way. If I go up a little bit, you'll see here it's slightly higher than the stick there. So I'll go down to where we were, pull that out, just go down one click, and we want it just kissing that cutting stick. The cutting sticks you can turn over to use the other side, but you don't want them, once they all get gouged out, it's time to replace them, or the bottom sheet won't cut very well. On the drill bits themselves, you want to sharpen them about every hour of drilling time to keep on top of them. If you leave it for too long, and I have an example here, don't know if the camera can pick out, if it goes darkened on the edge, black or dark colour or purple, it's overheated. There's nothing you can do to get back. That drill blunt as anything, so you cannot resharpen them once they get that bad. Another little tip when you are running your stock, if I put some paper in, what you want to use is this stuff called wax paper. It comes in a pack of 10 sheets, and you just put it on top of the stack, drill through, and just keep moving it around, turn it over till there's nothing left. That way a little chip of wax goes through the middle of the drill bit to help lubricate the inside. Just below this video, if you click on the arrow facing downwards, That will reveal a few links. We'll put some links on there if you need any supplies for drill bits, a link for the drill bits, wax paper, sharpener kits, and even spare parts. We'll put a link for the spares on there as well to make it easy for you. Thanks for watching.